What's going on, guys? Got a pair of Jordan 6, or cool gray Jordan 6s, I want to say, in for a deep clean and a icing. So stay tuned while we get to it. And rule of thumb always is, to me, I don't care if the shoestrings ain't dirty. I don't care how clean the shoe is or what work it may be coming in for. If I'm cleaning it, I'm plucking shoestrings and cleaning everything. Insoles, all that. Just getting it clean, especially if you specify that you want a deep clean. We're gonna start by blowing all the dirt from the bottom of the shoe. We're gonna start with the bottoms first. And while this look clean, it ain't clean. When I get done, I'm gonna go through it with a Q-tip and swab out all the little indentions in the bottom of the shoe. All right, so I got my Q-tips. Let's get the swabbing. Now we prep for the ice box. Best stuff on the market. If you ain't got it, you're missing out.